Hey there, tech enthusiasts. I'm excited to introduce you to our latest release, the Unsport 705 digital watch face for WearOS. This sleek and stylish watch face is designed to enhance your smartwatch experience, and we're confident you'll love it. We've worked hard to create a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate and customize. Whether you're into sports, fitness, or just want to keep track of your daily activities, the Unsport 705 digital watch face has got you covered. We're always looking for feedback from our users, so please don't hesitate to leave a review in the Play Store. Your thoughts and suggestions help us improve our products and create even better experiences for you. And here's a special offer for you. Buy one Unsport 705 digital watch face and get another one for free. Just head over to our website, nsportwatchface.com/promotion, and use the promo code BUY1GET1 to take advantage of this fantastic deal. Thanks for your support, and we hope you enjoy the Unsport 705 digital watch face as much as we do.